Namaste everyone, welcome back. I hope you guys are all doing well, and first of all, happy Raksha Bandhan to all of you. So Raksha Bandhan is just around the corner, and while I wanted to do a full-fledged Rakhi outfit ideas for you guys, I thought that I have already done one in the past. If you guys have not checked it out, I will have it linked right here. But because I already have so many outfit ideas that I have shared with you guys in the past, I wanted to do something different. Today we are collaborating with a beautiful and gorgeous jewelry brand from Instagram called Gehna Shehna, and we decided to bring this collaboration to you during Raksha Bandhan so that you guys can get your hands on the beautiful and gorgeous jewelry that Gehna Shehna has to offer. So Divya reached out to me a few days ago and she wanted us to collaborate during Raksha Bandhan so that I could bring you guys the beautiful and absolutely stunning jewelry collection that she has at her Instagram store called Gehna Shehna. So if you guys also want to get your hands on these gorgeous and stunning jewelry pieces that you can sport with your Indian outfits during Raksha Bandhan, then I will have her Instagram handle linked in the description box as well as somewhere here on the screen, so you guys can check her page out. And she also ships pan India, so regardless of where you live in the country, you will be able to get your hands on all of these jewelry pieces. So before we dive in, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and also leave your comment down below telling me which jewelry piece was your favorite. Don't forget to connect with me on all my social media accounts as well. I do keep posting some outfit inspirations and a lot of fun reels over there as well, so don't forget to connect with me on my social media as well. And now, without further delay, let's get started. So we have 7 really beautiful pieces and I'm going to walk you through each and every one of them. The first one is this gorgeous earring that I'm wearing right now, and this is actually one of my favorite pieces, to be very honest, because this goes so well with a lot of Indian kurtas and outfits, especially when it comes to chicken kurtas. I swear nothing looks better on chicken kurtas than silver and oxidized jewelry, and this is definitely something that goes really well with the chicken kurta that I'm wearing right now. So if you're someone who's a silver jewelry junkie, then you can definitely check this piece out. I think it looks absolutely gorgeous, not just with everyday outfits. You can dress these earrings up, you can dress them down based on what you're wearing. Of course, you can wear this with a very plain kurta, and these earrings would hands down be the showstopper of your look. Next up, I have another pair of oxidized earrings, more like jhumkas, and these are what they look like. I think these are very similar to these ones, but if you don't really want to go for jhumkas like these ones, these are actually kind of heavy. And if you want something which is extremely lightweight that you can also wear on a daily basis, but you also want something that you can make a statement with, then these earrings are definitely something that you can try out. Also, because of the mirror work that you see right here in the middle, it also makes for a very beautiful piece, because mirror work on jewelry is something I am really fond of. I love it when jewelry have a little bit of mirror work here and there. And speaking of mirror work, we have another piece which is extremely beautiful. So this is the beautiful choker that there is. As you guys can see, this is a choker that has mirror work all over, and honestly, I have also even imagined a really nice and beautiful outfit. So if you're someone who loves to wear saris, and especially during winter, so what you can do is that you can wear a turtleneck along with your sari. The turtleneck is basically going to be the blouse. During winters, of course, a lot of us prefer wearing turtlenecks, and this would look so stunning when you wear it with a turtleneck along with the sari. Oh my god, I already cannot wait to style this one. And this one also comes with these earrings. They are of course in the same design, but I feel I will be styling them differently because wearing them together would be a little too much for my taste. If you guys want, you can of course go ahead and wear these together, but it's just a little too much for my taste. But yeah, definitely going to style these earrings in a lot of different ways as well. So ever since I started building my jewelry collection, I had always been this person who wanted long earrings, basically hanging earrings like these ones. I never really gravitated a lot towards tops, but when I saw this piece, I instantly fell in love, because these are not the size of your conventional tops that would get lost in your hair if you actually open your hair when you're wearing these. These are not extremely small, but also big enough to make a statement. So if you want to expand your jewelry collection, then this is something that I would highly recommend you guys to have, because this is something that is kind of unconventional, but also not something that you see everywhere. So if you guys can get your hands on this, get your hands on this. Next up, we have a pair of earrings that I have already thought of so many outfits to pair it with. I cannot even count, and here is what they look like. They are long, exactly how I like my earrings to be. They are also colorful, which is also something that I don't really have a lot of in my collection. I mostly tend to gravitate towards silver or gold jewelry because I feel that I can style them in so many ways. But I have been wanting to try out different jewelry pieces that have a lot of color in them, and this is definitely the most perfect way to start because they scream summer. I love the beautiful and poppy yellow color, perfect for haldis, perfect for weddings, and perfect for day functions actually. So I don't think I'm going to get over my obsession of how beautiful and colorful these earrings are, and after this one I am definitely going to incorporate a lot more color when it comes to my jewelry collection. Moving on, we have a huge pair of earrings. I don't think I have to say anything more for these ones, and like I said, I have been wanting to try out more color in my jewelry, and I love the beautiful peach pink color that these have. They also have this thing, I don't really know what these are called, but they sort of go here behind your ear and you tuck them in your hair. So if you are someone who likes that as well, you can definitely give these a try. I will probably be removing them because I am not really a fan of wearing my earrings like that. But yes, if we are talking about statement earrings, I am not going to look any further than these ones. Moving on to the last piece in today's collection, we have this gorgeous neck piece right here. I love how simple this is. I think a lot of times we end up investing so much in statement pieces that we tend to forget how beautiful, plain and simple pieces like these ones look. I think if I have to style this one, I will be wearing this with a crop top and a blazer on top. I think this would look so beautiful, such minimal effort, but would make for such a beautiful outfit. In fact, if you guys have the same thought process as me when you're thinking of what jewelry to pair with what outfit, and you have it all going on in your head just like me, tell me in the comment section down below so that I know that I'm not the only person in this. So yes, this is the last piece that we have, and with this we have reached the end of this video, guys. I hope you guys like the jewelry collection that I had to share with you today. Don't forget to check out Gehna Shehna on Instagram. I will have their handle linked in the bottom bar for you guys to check them out, and also don't forget to connect with me on all my social media accounts. Again, if you guys are looking for some Rakhi outfit ideas and inspirations, I will have it linked in the bottom bar for you guys. And until then, I hope you guys have a great Rakhi, exchange a lot of gifts, have a lot of sweets, and just basically have a blast. And until then, I will see you very soon in my next video. Bye.